The day today. This lovely tropical looking one here. This is an Alstroemeria. Common name is Peruvian lily, I think. This one is kind of unique in that it has darker sort of plum tinged foliage. New growth is very plum, and then it sort of ages to this really dark green with a little tiny bit of sort of plumish in it, which sets off these flowers that look like amazing. This one is a really long blooming one. I'm not sure about others. I had the species in the garden back here way back in the day. Spent about 4 years trying to eliminate them because they are bitches. They spread like crazy. Okay, so I was told this guy here would not spread. It did. I put it in decent quality soil and it took off, and I'm still trying to get rid of it. Not like totally. I have a little piece here in a pot that I kept, but the majority of it I tried to get rid of. I like it, you know, contained, well behaved, nicely, you know, doing its thing there. So in terms of what it needs, a pot would be a really good start. However, they can be a little bit tender in the wintertime. So if you do have it and it's not in the ground, if it's in a pot, which you should put it in a pot. Did I say you should put it in a pot? Put it in a pot. Put it somewhere like under the deck or under the eaves, tucked somewhere where it's not going to get a lot of like ice and wind and such. Or maybe like pack a whole bunch of bubble wrap around it or something. I don't know. Just like last winter, I had a whole bunch of this in the pot and it all died. This was the only little bit that survived, and it was tucked away in a corner here. So, yeah, under trees, under eaves, that kind of thing. Soil, it should be, you know, moist. I would not ever let this dry out. It would just hate you. It will sulk. It'll look like crap. So moist, well drained, but moist soil. It can probably handle a little bit of moisture retention in the soil. Doesn't grow too tall. This variety, I think, gets to be about maybe 3 feet. 3 feet maximum, I'd say. Probably more like 30 inches or so. And I had it when it was in the ground, paired with a really beautiful sort of it was kind of like a yellowish cantaloupe color. What's the name of that bulb? The one that's hard to get rid of. Oh, damn it. Okay, well, it's not coming to me. Anyway, I had it with a bulb with foliage like that, with small flowers that were kind of a cantaloupe color, and it looked amazing paired with that. I also have it right now just sitting here in the pot next to this daylily, which, I mean, they complement each other as well. So, yeah, put it in a pot, really watch it, pay attention to it. Water it well. It probably would not do well in thin soil either, so keep it well fed. It's kind of a prissy plant, really, unless you get it in the ground, and then it's a thug and a bitch. So yeah, just very beautiful plant if you treat it nice and keep it in a pot. So that is Alstroemeria Indian Summer.